Here, we have this line and we are trying to graph all the lattice points that it intercepts on this grid. Now you should know that this negative 2/3 is the slope of the line and this negative 1 is the y-intercept, or where it hits the y-axis. And that's where we want to start. So let's start right here at negative 1 and click that point. The 2 and 3 in the slope are directions to another point. Before we find another point, let's put a positive in this corner and a negative in this corner. Since our slope is negative, we will start here on the y-axis and go in this direction and then in this direction. But let's be a little more specific. The top number 2 tells us to go up 2 spaces. The bottom number tells us to go over 3 spaces. We will then click that point. We then repeat this process as many times as we can, up to over 3. Click the point. From there, we go up to over 3. Click the point. If we go up to and over 3 from here, we will be off the grid. On larger grids, we could keep going, but we are going to stay on our grid. We are not done though. We need to go back to where we started at negative 1 on the y-axis. This time we will go down to and over 3 in this direction and click the point. We will continue to repeat that. Let's go down 2 and over 3, click the point. From there down 2 and over 3, click the point. Like before, if we go down 2 and over 3, we will be off the grid. So that's it. We graphed all the lattice points that this line intercepts on this grid. Let's point out that these points do indeed make a line. I had a whole lot of fun graphing this line with you. Now see if you can do the next problem on your own.